It's very good. So you can start. Yeah?
Well, my name is Bob Lotz. I've been was associated with Ecma since about, I would say, 1980, 1977, 1980, in that time frame. I was working for Digital Equipment Corporation at the time. I had put together the acoustic noise control group for that company, and we, like other computer companies, were interested in being able to make measurements of our products, not only the big products which were in computer rooms, but products now that were beginning to go into the office and workplace, printers, desktop units, and in order to design a workplace to be acoustically acceptable, the architect and the building designer and people responsible needed to know how much emitted sound came from a given unit. So across the industry there was some support for doing this, and Ecma took a lead in bringing us together so that we could agree on industry-wide standards for how do you measure the sound that's emitted from a computer product. This work proceeded quite quickly and amicably, with different companies taking different roles to investigate specific areas. And we based our work on a lot of ISO standards that were already in existence, but specialized those to be appropriate for the computer industry. We came out with a draft standard, Ecma 74, and I don't remember the year exactly, but someone will have that. This was then circulated and widely adopted across the industry as the new way for computer products to be measured for sound emission. Subsequently, Ecma led activities in measuring high-frequency noise, the kind of noise you sometimes hear from monitors, measuring tones in noise, measuring noise from fans, cooling fans, which are often used in computer products and can sometimes be the primary source of noise. These further efforts were generally done collaboratively through a intercommittee working group in which the ISO and American National Standard and Ecma and other Institute of Noise Control Engineering working groups all met together. Instead of meeting in different locations, we all met together and were able to sequence the development of these voluntary standards in a way that brought them to the public in a quick way, as quick as possible, but with broad support.
Excellent.
So I think Ecma played a very leading role. Ecma TC26 played a leading role in the development and promulgation of measurement of sound emission from computer products. And this, of course, helped to really drive down the computer product noise levels, because once competitors were looking one-to-one at what the other manufacturer is doing, they're saying, well, gee, we better do something about ours, and we know the measurements are being made in the same way. So it had quite a benefit for the general public as well.
Okay, excellent. Thank you.